I know, you see a doggy outside, huh? Oh. Why don't you get down, babe? Oh, you want to see the doggy, huh? Oh, you're making such cute noises. Get down. Down here. It's okay, baby. Oh. Hi. Come here. You're so whiny when you see other dogs. I know, you want to go out there and say hi, but... Oh, I'm sorry. Can we see them? The windows are very dirty. Very, very dirty. I wonder why, Bailey. Okay, I don't see that dog. Where do you see that dog? Oh, yeah? Oh, you have dogs next door barking, too. That's what you sound like. Shush. Hi, baby. Do you see the dog still? Oh yeah, that little girl has the dog over there. Yeah, see? See, they got their dog, so now they're gonna go back inside. Maybe next time you can say hi, okay? I know, I know. Oh, there comes Mom. Do you see her? There she is in the distance. What? What? Where are you going? And then she had a spasm. Okay, baby.